just bought packing cubes. They came in a few days ago. Here's the deal. I uploaded a video and I was straight up bashing the packing cubes because I feel like they are a waste of space. You guys commented and you said that you could not live without your packing cubes, and everybody made a big deal about me and the packing cubes and not liking them. Here's my beef about the packing cube. It depends on the kind of travel that you're doing, first of all. If you're going on, let's say, a week-long trip somewhere, I understand using the packing cube because you're only going for a week, you're going to one destination, you want to stay organized. Great. That makes sense to me. What doesn't make sense to me, if you are, let's say you're going somewhere for a month long and you want to pack a carry-on, you don't necessarily want to straight up backpack, but you know you're going to be traveling within a country or a continent, you're going to different places, it doesn't make sense to me to use the packing cubes because they do take up more space. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of the packing cube and a non-packing cube packed suitcase. We're going to talk about what I think afterwards. Let's get into it. I also have to mention that this video is not sponsored. I bought these myself and I will link them in the description below if you're interested in buying them. Okay, carry on. So what did I think? Did I like them? Yes, I liked them. I liked that they satisfied my organizational needs. I like that everything has its place. I like that if I were on a trip, I would be able to keep everything in its dedicated cube and, you know, stay organized throughout my entire trip. I like that. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's just, yeah, I get why people use them and I get why people like them. Would I use them? Yes. I would use them, but only on short trips. As you can see, I packed each suitcase with the same exact amount of clothing and shoes and underwear and everything in between, and did come to find, like I predicted, that the suitcase with the packing cubes took up more space. The reason I don't use packing cubes is because I like to be able to fit, you know, everything in each nook and cranny of that suitcase. You know, there are times where like you need that extra space in your suitcase. Sometimes you're packing and then you realize, oh my gosh, I forgot to pack this, and then you have that extra inch or two. And then there are other times when you're like traveling a different country and you buy something and you want to take it home with you, but you don't want to bring, you know, a checked bag. So yeah, there are times when you should use packing cubes and there are times when you shouldn't. Either way, I really like them and I'm glad that you guys suggested this video. Thank you for challenging my views on packing cubes, and although I will not be using them on every trip, I definitely will be incorporating them on the ones that are shorter. If you guys have any more requests for travel videos, please let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see more travel videos, hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.